Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if Cash App is not working properly on your iPhone. So guys, if you're facing the problem with your Cash App and you're unable to transfer your money or receive money, or you can do any operation on your Cash App, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to open settings in your device, and from here you have to scroll it below and tap on general and tap on software update, and make sure that you are using the updated version of software in your device. And after this, scroll it below and tap on iPhone storage and wait for some seconds here and scroll it below and find your Cash App here. So guys, here it is. You have to simply offload your Cash App for one time, and after this you have to open your App Store and search here for Cash App. Here it is. And now you have to update your Cash App in your device in here. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, you have to simply contact the Cash App team on Cash App official help services. So guys, you have to simply contact your Cash App team, and after this hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.